We found a cat. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, don't scare him. Guys, I'm going over. He likes me. He comes down to my bus stop every day.
Hello, I'm Isaac's friend.
Stepbrother.
Like,
Kitty.
stepbrother.
Kitty.
Meow. He's a boy. I can tell.
Are we sure about this? Did you check his gender?
Yes, I checked his gender. He is officially a boy.
So, while we were sitting here and I was listening to music, did I miss this? You checked his penis? Whether he has one or not?
Yes, I looked under him. He crawled over me.
Why you always lying?
Meow. He always tells all of us that. Oh, he nutsack.
I think the cat's going.
No. Oh. Oh, he's just getting his claws. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Hey, Keaton.
Yeah.
Hi. This is strange kitty.
Okay.
Has anybody ever watched like the TK videos, Talking Kitty? This cat looks exactly like him. That booty dough. You're scaring him. Alright, I think he's done.
I think he's
Alright. The video's about to
the stream.
go for it.